Assalamu alaikum dear students. Photonasty. In previous lecture we have discussed about Gnostic movements. उस लेक्चर में हमने Fibonacci डिस्कस की है. Fibonacci, that is a type of Gnostic movement. आज हम डिस्कस करते हैं Photonasty. This is another type of Gnostic movement. First point is that this Photonasty is a type of Gnostic movement, hence it is a non-directional movement. It is a non-directional movement. Photonasty is a type of Gnostic movement, and hence it is a non-directional movement. Non-directional movement means that the response of a plant cannot be determined by the direction of stimulus. It is independent of the direction of stimulus of light. Now, how can we define Photonasty? It can be defined as the non-directional movement. The non-directional movement of a plant part in response to the stimulus of intensity of light. Intensity of light. Photonasty can be defined the non-directional movement of a plant part. The non-directional movement of a plant part in response to the stimulus of intensity of light. Here the stimulus is mainly that is light, and hence this is called Photonasty. First point is that it is a non-directional movement, and hence we can define Photonasty the non-directional movement of a plant part in response to the stimulus of intensity of light. In other words, we can say that Photonasty is a Gnostic movement of a plant part in response to the light. We can say in another way, we can say that Photonasty is the non-directional movement of a plant part. Photonasty is a Gnostic movement of a plant part in response to the stimulus of light. Photonasty is the Gnostic movement of a plant part in response to the stimulus of light. Simply called Photonasty. Now, what are the various examples of this Photonasty? I will give you 1-2 examples so that you can understand what is Photonasty. The dandelion flowers. Dandelion is one of the plant. The dandelion flowers open during morning, means during in bright light, and it closes, and the dandelion flower closes during evening. Or in dark, or you can say that in dark. The petals means mainly this is part of flower one, or the part of flower petal. The petals of dandelion flowers open during morning, meaning during bright light, but they closes during evening or in dark. This opening or closing of petals of dandelion flowers during morning and evening is an example of Photonasty. The petals of dandelion flower, you know that flowers have 4 parts. One is sepal, petal, stamen, carpel or pistil. This petal is the second whorl of flower, The petals of dandelion flowers open during morning and closes during evening or in dark. This opening or closing of petals of dandelion flowers during morning or evening is an example of photonosty. Another example is the moonflower. Moonflower opens during night but closes during bright light, meaning during morning. It shows, this moonflower shows the reverse process of this dandelion flower. This moonflower shows the reverse process of this dandelion flower, means the petals of this moonflower open during night, while as the petals of dandelion flower close during night. The petals of this moonflower close during day or bright light during morning, while as the petals of dandelion flowers open during morning. The moonflower shows the reverse process of this dandelion flower. This is also an example of photonosty, means the petals of moonflower opens during night but closes during bright light or morning. This is another example of photonosty. Now, petals of a flower open when more growth takes place on inside than the other side, than the outer side. When more growth of petals of a flower takes place on inside, at the time the flower opens. If more growth takes place on outer side of petal than on inside. At the time the flower closes. When more growth takes place on inside of a flower than outer side, at the time the flowers open. If more growth takes place on outer side than on inside, at the time the flower closes. This completes this control and coordination in plants. In next lecture, we will discuss second part of this control and coordination, that is control and coordination in plants.